This video is about how to use evidence to support your particular findings. So I want you to look at the example that's on page 79 in chapter 5 of the Writing and Music book and study how the student used their working outline to think about what kinds of evidence would be appropriate in what parts of the paper. So you'll notice that when the student is talking about the nature of Mozart's forte piano or the instrument that he played and composed for, the student is primarily going to be using secondary sources. But when asking about how does that actually show up in a specific piece of music, the student is going to be drawing primarily on primary sources, scores, sketches, maybe even letters, notes from the composer. So take a close look at that and take a close look at how to cite secondary sources, how to here we go. Summarize on page 81. How to be critical of sources on page 82. And how to extend them in a critical or creative way. I want you to note how the footnotes show up in these examples here. You'll see them. They're very tiny. And then take a look at this first example where you'll see beautiful source formatting for both of those sources.